Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make Microsoft Edge faster on Windows PC. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open a page, click on the three dot icon on the right and select settings. On left side select start, home and new tab pages. You just need to select open these pages and select add a new page. Type here www.google.com and select the add option, and now you just need to close out of here, and whenever you open this Edge it will open up a Google website. And second step, you just need to click on the three dot icon, scroll down and select settings. On left side you just need to scroll down and select about Microsoft Edge. This will automatically check for updates. After getting Microsoft Edge is up to date, third step, you just need to clear the cache. To do this, press in keyboard Ctrl Shift plus delete key together, and it will open up delete browsing data. Click on this drop down and select all time, and you just need to check mark cookies and other site data, and check mark cached images and files. Now select the clear now option. For the step, you just need to select this three dot icon and select extensions, and select manage extensions. You just need to remove extensions you no longer need, just like this, remove. After doing it, fifth step, you just need to enable efficiency mode. To do this, go back to settings. On left side select system and performance. In here you just need to scroll down and select turn on the efficiency mode. Sixth step, you just need to enable use hardware acceleration when available. You just need to turn on the use graphics acceleration when available. Seventh step, you just need to turn on this startup boost option. After turning on startup boost, select the restart option. After restarting the Edge, you just need to type here Edge colon double slash flags and press enter. In here you just need to search parallel downloading. Click on this drop down and set this to enabled. This will increase your download speed. And now you just need to search for GPU raster relation. Click on this drop down and set this to enabled. This will improve rendering performance. Now you just need to select the restart option and restart the Microsoft Edge. And now Microsoft Edge will be faster to use. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.